Hello everyone, welcome on this channel. I am Sachin Randive from R.S. Mundle Dharampet Arts and Commerce College, Nagpur. In the activity sheet of 12th English, section 3 is for writing skills. In this section, we find 4 questions which have different options to attempt. Question 4a, drafting virtual messages or statement of purpose or group discussion. Question 4b, email writing or report writing or framing interview questions. Question 4c, speech writing or comparing or expansion of ideas. And the last one, question 4d, film review or blog or appeal writing. I had already informed that you are required to attempt any one activity from each set. From the above skills till now, I have uploaded the videos about email and interview from question 4b. Also, film review and appeal writing from question 4d. So, let's begin today's topic about a new writing skill, and it is speech writing from question 4c. A speech is expression one's ideas on certain topic orally and verbally. It's a formal address or discourse delivered to an audience. मौखिक रूप से अपने विचारों को व्यक्त करना और श्रोताओं तक पहुंचाना, यही होता है भाषण. Speech is a means of communication through a talk given to an audience. Just as this question is important for us in the exam, the speech is very important to develop our personality. It helps to increase our knowledge while expressing our views on certain topics. Students, how can we forget one of the famous speeches of Swami Vivekananda, delivered at the World Parliament of Religion in Chicago on 11 September 1893. How can we forget his famous salutation by saying, "My brothers and sisters of America"? So, as per our topic is concerned, it would be very easy for us if you make a format of speech writing. It could be like this, see on the screen. Format of speech. Number 1, greeting or salutation. Number 2, introduction. Number 3, body of the speech. And number 4, conclusion or ending. Now let us see one by one the explanation of this format. Number 1, greeting or salutation. You should begin your speech appropriately by addressing the stage, organizer, ऑडियंस एक्सेट्रा. मंच पे उपस्थित अतिथिगण और आपके सामने बैठे हुए श्रोता, उन्हें एड्रेस करते हुए आपको भाषण की शुरुआत करनी है. लाइक, रिस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल, रिस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, और ऑनरेबल चेयरपर्सन, respected teachers and my friends, or as instructed in the question itself. Then proceed your speech with number 2, introduction. Now, introduce yourself and your topic to the audience. Keep in mind one thing, that your information must attract the attention of the audience. Like, I am Ajay Sharma, studying in standard 12th. I am delighted to have this golden opportunity to express my views on blank this topic. रिक्त स्थान पर आपको क्वेश्चन में जो टॉपिक दिया है उसे रखना पड़ेगा. नंबर 3, बॉडी ऑफ द स्पीच. दिस इंक्लूड्स द मेन कंटेंट ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द स्पीच विच इज आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन. अरेंज योर पॉइंट्स इन अ लॉजिकल सीक्वेंस। आपको स्पीच से संबंधित मुद्दों का विश्लेषण करना है। You will have to elaborate your ideas related the topic of the speech. ये विश्लेषण करते हुए आपको कम से कम 2 या फिर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 3 परिच्छेद लिखने हैं। So be specific and provide a concrete plan of action while delivering your speech. Use simple, easy and clear language also. And the last, number 4, conclusion or ending. At the end, don't just summarize. Make a powerful steering statement that will leave the audience thinking. जैसे हमने स्पीच की शुरुआत अट्रैक्टिव तरीके से की थी, उसी प्रकार स्पीच की एंडिंग आकर्षक होनी चाहिए. Don't write more than 3 lines while concluding your speech. And also don't forget to thank the audience and the organizer. For example, thank you everyone for being patient listener, etc. Student, here I am sharing some points which you must be remembered while writing speech. Points to be remembered. Number 1, what you write should be what you will actually say if you are given the chance. मान के चलिए कि आप ऑडियंस के सामने भाषण दे रहे हो और वही भाषण जैसे कि वैसा आपको आंसर में लिखना है. नंबर 2, अ स्पीच शुड बी इंफॉर्मेटिव. क्वेश्चन में जो टॉपिक दिया है केवल उसी के बारे में स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन आपको लिखनी है. Number 3, use rhetorical questions for greater effect. A rhetorical question is a common rhetorical device where a question is asked by a speaker, but no answer is expected from the audience. For example, can you do better next time? Or do you want to be a failure for the rest of your life? Etc. Number 4, use direct address to the audience using words like friends, do you agree? Number 5, use slogans, quotations of great persons and statistics for more impact. And number last, avoid long sentence and use imperative. Now, let us see how to question could be asked in the activity sheet. See this example. Question 4C. Write a speech given by a student in an elocution competition on the state of democracy in India today. एक वक्तृत्व स्पर्धा में स्पीच देनी है जिसका विषय है द स्टेट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी इन इंडिया टुडे यूजिंग द फॉलोइंग पॉइंट्स फॉर 4 marks. Points. Number 1, democracy in India. Number 2, people's role as a responsible citizens. And number 3, role of media. The answer would be like this. Answer. Honorable judges, respected teachers and dear friends, I am Rohit Kumar from Modern Junior College and today I am here to express my views on the state of democracy in India today. Unfortunately, democracy in India today does not work the way it should. It is limited to the day when the masses go to the polling booths and cast their votes. Then they return to their routine lives. Most people do not actively participate in serious social issues. They do not react the injustices happening around. Many among us do not bother to raise our voice against the corrupt practices going on around us. Casting our vote once in 5 years or so is not the sole idea of being a responsible citizen. Friends, do you agree with me? A citizen should be always vigilant. Likewise, we also need a responsible media to expose those who are corrupt. Further, the people's representative should realize that they are accountable to the others. Only if all these things work together, then only can we reap the real fruits of democracy. Friends, can we do better next time? Thank you Thank you very much to the organizer of this competition for giving me this chance. Thanks a lot, everyone. This way, we can write the speech. I hope using the format you will be able to write the answer of question 4C speech writing in the exam on any topic instructed in the question. Thanks for watching this video.